I've been cooking my whole life, worked in and out of restaurants in Philadelphia and the surrounding area. Timing is everything in a restaurant. The timing has to be perfect. You know, when during the season do you open your restaurant? What are the hours of your restaurant? What are the hours of operation? What are the peak hours? What are the low hours, you know? 5 o'clock is always coming and we always have to be ready for that. So having something right there on my wrist, I can keep my finger on the pulse of what we have to do on a day-to-day basis. For me, time is the propulsion. How are we gonna capture the right feeling in a restaurant without the proper timing?